sun and 32 and light ice in the water bowls. And this boy is close. Let's get him back up the hill before we have an incident. I saw Morris up here too. Morris seems to be doing well, but whereas he was getting 10 to 15 feet from me, now it's like 25 or 30 feet. Maybe that'll improve again over time. Amongst other things, I'm checking out the hawk nesting situation.
Oh, you surprised me. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I'm right here.
I was,
Told you I was going to walk Tux.
oh,
He wanted to walk, so we're walking.
cool. That's pretty good. Yeah, he looks like he's walking over there.
Well, he is, but he had to, you know, stop to use the bathroom, then stop to scratch, then stop to smell something. He's walking with me, though. Come on, Tux. See, he says, I'll come catch up with you, Mom. Does that feel good? Glad to see you looking so perky this morning. Let's take the walkway back. Let's take the trail. Well, that's a view I can really appreciate this morning, considering during the week now you're rushing off into your office.
Yeah, I don't get to usually read the paper.
Or drink coffee or watch videos or do anything in the morning now.
Go.
Yeah, well, that's because we don't like to get up early. I suppose we could get up a little earlier and have an hour out here, but not.
Get up early and read the paper, or sleep late and not read the paper.
Well, Don offered me a ride on a Sunday afternoon, and I was not passing that up. So
my girl, she loves to go for rides at Teslas.
Put me in the car pretty much any day. I don't think you've ever said, hey, let's go for a drive, and I've said, nah, I don't feel like doing that today. I don't think those words have ever come out of my mouth. Apparently my mom was like that too. My dad had to drive her around a lot. So we are headed to Harbor Freight in Sanford.
Just because.
And I told Johnny we would pick up some of those little lock together floor cushion mat things for when he's doing his taekwondo. He wants a little more padding for when he's down doing push-ups. And I can't say that I blame him, because the coin floor helps, but then sometimes the coins it's softer, but it's not softer. So anyway, I told him we'd pick up some of that foam for him. It's not very expensive, and that would give us a real mission in Harbor Freight.
Right.
Now, will I or will I not get any more storage bins while we're in there? I'll let you guys figure that one out.
This curve at 60 miles an hour.
Right.
And I swear to God,
She was slowing down. Don thinks Jules is behaving less timid today.
Yes.
And we were trying to remember what software update we had on the last time we went to Sanford.
We could go back and find out.
Maybe we can go back and look. Yeah, we can certainly look in Tesla to see when was the last time we went to Sanford, and we can also look to see when the last update went on. So here's another pretty good curve. It's 55 here.
And she's did
Dawn's got it set to 60, and she definitely went a little out on that curve.
Yeah, she slowed all the way down to 59.
So I think I'm going to agree with you that she is less cautious on the curves today. I mean, there's a real compromise here, folks, between it's annoying because she's not driving like a human, and she's not slowing down enough, and you're worried she's not going to slow down when she needs to.
Yeah, there's a 60 mile an hour curve. Oh, she slowed down to 55. Hot dog, baby. But
not before she kind of went too fast to the outside and then slowed. So I definitely think she's driving a little aggressively today in the curves. Don saw the people on the bicycles and the blind curve coming up, and he just automatically took us out of autopilot. No need to scare them, or, you know, make Jules have to work too hard. That's why humans are still behind the wheel right now. It did show really nice picture, which I hope I got earlier on in that clip of the bicycles on the screen.
Right.
in Harbor Freight now. This is what we came to get. Don said get 2. They're only, that's $8.99 for 4 pieces. So how big a area is he going to be able to make out there?
I think this will give him a 4x8.
Okay.
Which is plenty big.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Because he's been using my bought at Guardian Angel yoga mat.
Right.
Which is not as thick as this, so we'll see how it goes. It's worth trying to see if it's good.
Well, the other thing about Harbor Freight, we buy these, he likes them, we think they're a hit. We can come back a couple weeks and buy them again because they've been carrying this for a while.
Yeah,
They're not gonna change
yeah, we
this
could
out.
add more later if we saw the need. Okay. Up next, the Harris Teeter in Fuquay. Walmart didn't have any heavy cream yesterday, and I want to try to get some cream and maybe look at the coffee there.
Sort of life or death.
Yeah, cream and coffee. Pretty important on the list. Don turn around and bring me by this house because I saw all these giant inflatables, and of course I thought of Johnny. There's a Rudolph and Frosty up on the hill, and then the Grinch and Mickey here, and wow, we should come back by next Christmas. Rollins Mill Road is where we're at. I got what I needed at Harris Teeter. I picked up some shrimp, and for Don and I to have for our pre-dinner appetizer tonight. Plus the cream. They had cream. The cream that I wanted cream. There you go. Oh, it's even got a paper tag on it. Wrong wheels for you, Donnie. Wrong wheels.
Yeah.
Hopefully they're loving theirs as much as we're loving ours. Well, we're going to have to see if we start seeing this Model Y parked here all the time. It's just a couple houses down from the white Model 3. And cool, way cool. I love you.
Yeah,
Donnie,
boy.
he's going for his run.
New run, yo.
50 and sunny, you got to do it in January. It's actually going to be in the 50s most of this week, so... Don and I are starting off tonight's dinner with shrimp cooked in butter garlic sauce, meatballs, and spaghetti squash. There's Don's bowl. I put some olive oil and garlic salt on the spaghetti squash before I serve it up.